Which way you prefer to uninstall the VirtualBox? Method 1. Uninstall the VirtualBox application from the control panel, but be aware that this way will not remove the ISO files on your host machine which was installed in your VirtualBox. Before I do that, I open the VirtualBox. I have a Windows 10 on my VirtualBox by the name of Muradi tutorial Win 10. So I close it. Click on uninstall programs. Click here to find the Oracle VirtualBox. This is the Oracle VirtualBox. I just double click on it to remove it. So I have removed the VirtualBox from my control panel. Now I close it, and when I search VirtualBox, there will not be any VirtualBox application, so I cannot open it. But I know the iOS file which was installed in my VirtualBox is still stored in my host machine. Now if I want to reinstall the VirtualBox again, you see guys, there is still Muradi tutorial Win 10. Method number 2. First, remove any ISO files from the VirtualBox and then uninstall the VirtualBox application from the control panel to free up space on your host machine. If you want free space on your host machine, you need to completely remove all files and data of VirtualBox plus uninstalling the VirtualBox application from your control panel. For example, I have Windows 10 installed in my VirtualBox. Just simply right click on the ISO file. You have to see the remove button here, but this is grayed out because the VirtualBox is open. When I close the VirtualBox, power off the machine, okay. Now when I see the remove button is visible, when I click on it, it prompts me delete all files, remove only, delete all files. Click on it, it is gone. Now once it's done, nothing is remaining here. Then close it, go to control panel, Oracle VM VirtualBox, uninstall it. Once done, you close all. This way you can free up more space in your host machine. That's it guys. If you have any questions, comments or any video idea, please write down in the comment section of this video. I will answer your questions, appreciate your comments or create a video for you. If you're new and like similar videos in the future, subscribe to my channel. Thank you and goodbye.